Welcome to GNet. Hi everyone, today I want to show you a quick and powerful way to promote your business when you're out at conventions, association events, or even meeting new partners. We're going to learn how to download and print your personal GNet Connect QR code. Once printed, you can use it as a badge, place it on your table, or display it at your booth. When someone scans it, they'll be taken directly to your GNet profile, where they can see your services, fleet, service areas, and even your compliance documents. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Open your browser and go to connect.grdd.net. On menu, click Edit Profile. If you need to add GNet logos to your site, you can download the logos here. You can also download the QR code image if you want to use it later. If you want to print the QR code, then hit the Print QR Code button. On this screen, you can change the paper size, A4, letter, or postcard. Change the orientation, portrait or landscape. Edit your GNet ID, contact name or email if you want it displayed differently. Show or hide logos if you prefer a cleaner look. These updates apply instantly, so you can preview before printing. And that's it. You're ready to start networking like a pro. Next time you're at a convention or industry event, just display your QR code. Instead of swapping business cards or typing in website addresses, your partners can scan and instantly connect with you on GNet Connect.